In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password in Todoist. This is really useful if you've been logging in with a third-party option like Google or Apple, and now want a dedicated password for extra security or easier access. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Todoist in your browser and make sure you're logged into the account where you want to add a password. Once you're in, look towards the upper left area of the page. You should see your profile icon or your initials. Go ahead and click on that profile area. This is where you access your personal account options and settings. When the small menu opens after clicking your profile, you'll see several options related to your account. From this menu, choose the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open your main account settings panel. This is where you can manage things like your account details, notifications, and security. Inside the settings panel, look for the section related to your account or security. In that section, you'll see an option that says Add Password. This option appears if you don't already have a standard password set for your Todoist account. Click on Add Password to start the process. A new screen or panel will appear asking you to type in your new password. Take your time here and choose a strong password that you can remember, but that would be hard for others to guess. A strong password usually includes a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable details like your name or simple sequences. Type your chosen password carefully, and if there's a field to confirm it, make sure you enter the exact same password again. Once you have entered your password and double check that it's correct, look for the button labeled Add Password. This button will save your new password to your Todoist account. Click on Add Password to confirm and finish the setup. After this, your Todoist account will have a proper password attached. The next time you log in, you'll be able to sign in using your email and this new password. That's all you need to do to add a password in Todoist.